Kalipunan, pinunot kawal, baba, ta, handa, dala, kalis. Baba, ta! Mahal na Pangulo, handa na po ang tanod pandangal upang libutin. Tanghal! Ta! Kalipunan, tanghal, ta! Baba, ta, handa, dala, kalis. Baba, ta! Mahal na Pangulo, tapos na po ang parangal.
Ipabog mo ang pasasalamat sa ating mga kasama, parangal na ibinigay nila ngayong araw ng gabi.
Mga kasama, ipinapaabot ng ating mahal na Pangulo, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Pangulo, Republika ng Pilipinas, ang kanyang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa parangal na ginawad natin sa kanya ngayong umaga. Baba, kalis.
The President has just been accorded with arrival honors. He is now being joined by the Acting Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Following them are the major service commanders of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Lieutenant General Antonio G. Neferete, Commanding General Philippine Army, Vice Admiral Jose Maambrosio Q. Ezpeleta, Flag Officer in Command Philippine Navy, and Major General Pablo E. Rustria Jr., the Acting Commanding General of the Philippine Air Force. Also with them is Lieutenant General Bernard M. Banac, Deputy Chief for Administration of the Philippine National Police. The President will proceed to Dambana ng Kagitingan for the wreath-laying ceremony.